Did you know that you need to pass a mandatory test before trading in the financial markets? In this video, I explain everything you need to get started in trading, from the essential steps to how to pass the suitability test and what equipment really matters. As you already know from previous lessons, to trade, you need a broker, an intermediary, that connects you to the markets. Remember, a broker is a company, never a person. An individual can only be a trader. A broker can never be a physical person. Also, keep in mind that a trading platform is not the same as a broker. The platform is the tool we use to communicate with our broker. When we press buy on the platform, we're communicating with our broker to make the purchase and vice versa. A platform that isn't connected to any broker is useless. Chapter 1.1 of the book Trading from Zero. What do I need to start trading? Requirements. To answer this question, let's start by summarizing the previous chapter. We mentioned that the step-by-step process for trading is: Step 0, training. Step 1, choose a broker. Step 2, install the trading platform. Step 3, choose a market. Step 4, choose an asset. Step 5, choose a time frame. Step 6, make a buy or sell decision. Therefore, the first essential step, Step 0, is training, not just because I say so, but because the next step to trade is to choose a broker. If you've ever tried to open an account with a broker to start trading in financial markets, you've probably come across a questionnaire known as the suitability test, especially if you're connecting from the European Union. This test is a mandatory step before you're allowed to trade, and it's not just a formality. What is the suitability test? The suitability test is a questionnaire designed to assess your experience and knowledge in investment and trading, as well as your financial situation and investment goals. This test is part of the regulations established by the ESMA, European Securities and Markets Authority, and aims to protect investors, ensuring they don't take on financial products they don't understand or aren't prepared for. The test will ask questions about your experience in the markets, your financial knowledge, your general economic situation, and your goals with trading. The importance of the suitability test lies in investor protection. Financial markets can be extremely volatile and complex, and not all financial products are suitable for everyone. The suitability test helps brokers determine whether the type of trading you wish to pursue is appropriate for you, based on your profile. 1. Protection against unnecessary losses. Trading, especially with derivative products like CFDs, can involve a high level of risk. If you don't fully understand how these instruments work, you may face significant losses. The suitability test ensures you are only exposed to risks that you can understand and manage. 2. Regulatory compliance. ESMA and other regulatory bodies require brokers to conduct this test to ensure they operate ethically and responsibly. If a broker doesn't administer this test, they are breaching regulations, which could lead to sanctions for them and an unsafe experience for you as an investor. 3. Customization of services. Depending on the test results, the broker may offer you different types of accounts or financial products. For example, if the test shows that you have limited experience, they may recommend starting with a demo account or with lower risk products before trading with real money in more complex products. 4. Prevention of over-indebtedness. The test also helps prevent you from going beyond your financial means. By understanding your financial situation, the broker can limit the level of leverage you can use, avoiding risks that could lead to uncontrollable losses. What happens if you don't pass the test? If the results of the suitability test indicate that you lack sufficient experience or knowledge, the broker may restrict your access to certain financial products. In some cases, they might even refuse to open a real account for you if they consider the products too risky for your profile. The good news is that you have this book in your hands, and if you read it to the end, I guarantee 100% that you'll be able to pass any suitability test. Let's assume you finish this book and can easily pass that suitability test. What other qualifications or licenses do you need to start trading? What computer equipment do you need? Could you trade from an iPhone or iPad? If you want to start trading, you need to be clear about the requirements to begin your journey as a trader. Mobile phone. Not recommended, yes. You can trade from a phone, but it's not professional. Mobile apps are very limited, the screen is small, and you'll never match the efficiency of a PC. However, it's very useful for monitoring trades. Personally, I open several trades from my PC and sometimes leave them open for a couple of days. If I need to step out of the office, I can still check the price movements on my phone. Don't obsess over checking every 5 minutes. What I do is set alerts for when the price reaches a certain level, and that way I get a notification. Then, if I can, I take a look at that moment. A tablet has the same limitations and advantages as a phone, with the only difference being a larger screen. You'll never see a professional trader using a tablet daily. If you do, it's not professional because they know it doesn't make sense to analyze and trade from a tablet when a PC is available. PC with one screen. This is the minimum requirement, a PC with at least one screen for trading. However, the market doesn't distinguish between amateur and professional traders. For reference, I have 6 screens in my office, but don't worry, you don't need 6. I have 6 because I multitask frequently. If you can have 2 screens connected to the same PC, that's ideal. Otherwise, a tablet plus a PC would be a temporary solution. But if possible, get 2 screens, you'll thank me for it. Professional trader license. Not required, no license is required to trade. Some people ask about this because they confuse it with a broker's license. Remember, you and I will never be brokers. We will always be traders. A broker is a financial intermediary between the trader and the market. This intermediary, or broker, can never be a physical person. It must always be a legal entity, a company. To become a broker, you do need a license, and to obtain that license, the company must have assets exceeding 1 million euros and meet numerous requirements and heavy bureaucracy. But since you're not aiming to be a broker, just a trader, you don't need any of that. University degree. Not required, no university degree is needed to trade. In fact, and unfortunately, few degree programs cover trading in depth. I studied business administration and economics, and in a course called financial management, we covered one chapter on trading and only superficially. Suitability test. Yes, this is mandatory, at least in Europe. The law requires that anyone who wants to trade must understand the risks involved. And that's precisely what this course will teach you, how to easily and quickly pass any suitability test required to trade. If you found this class useful and feel like you're learning from this free trading course, imagine the level of knowledge you could achieve as a student in our premium trading course. If you've ever felt stuck in trading due to the fear of losing, lack a clear system and strategy resulting in inconsistent outcomes, or even if you have experience but struggle with emotional control, preventing you from being profitable, the solution is right in front of you. The only thing missing is investing in knowledge. Stop making excuses about not having time to learn or trade, because we all have 24 hours in a day, and if you manage your time well, you can carve out 20 minutes a day to learn. You'll find more info in the top right corner by scanning the QR code on the screen and through the link in the description. Click and let's connect inside the premium platform.